Hello children. As we are living in a coastal region, every day we feel very warm. Normally we prefer to travel to mountainous region like Nuvarelia where it's very cold. Why it is hot in coastal region and cold in mountainous region? Let us talk about that later. Atmosphere. What is an atmosphere? As you know, the earth is surrounded by different types of gases. These gases create a thin layer. The thin layer of gases is known as atmosphere. Right? As I told you, in atmosphere we have different types of gases. Gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon, etc. Here I have given you the percentage of the following gases. Nitrogen 78 percentage, oxygen 21 percentage. As you know, oxygen is a gas that is very important for the respiration. All living organisms depend on oxygen. Carbon dioxide is important for the plants, that is in order to make food. Then we also have argon, then we have water vapor and other gases. So atmosphere is something very important because it has all these gases, right? And as I told you, here I have written the functions of the atmosphere. It provides oxygen. Oxygen is required for all living organism in order to breathe. Then it helps the birds and insects to fly. Provides carbon dioxide. You know carbon dioxide is very important for the plants to make food. Then it helps to maintain water cycle. As we have water and water vapor, so it helps in the water cycle. Supports communication. Atmosphere has gases. We need a medium in order to transport or propagate our sounds. So the atmosphere is helping for the communication and protects the earth from the meteors. Meteors is something rocky substances, burning rocks actually. These will be burnt by the one of the layers of the atmosphere. Then it provides nitrogen. Nitrogen is important for the growth of the plant. Then ozone layer protect the earth. Ozone layer is also one of the important layer that is protecting our earth from UV rays. UV rays is ultraviolet rays that is coming from sun, right? Next we will see why this atmosphere is very important and it has to be protected. Actually we are polluting the atmosphere because the factory waste and the vehicles, all those waste is actually polluting our atmosphere. Here I have given a chart. Air pollutant we classify as gaseous and particulate. These are all gaseous pollutant. Carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, they are released by vehicles and factories. Then we have dust like tiny dust like particles that is released by the vehicles and factories with the smoke, that is carbon particles, lead particles, cement dust, insecticide droplet, unburnt fuel drops and asbestos particles. All these are air pollutants. They are going to pollute the atmosphere. So what is air pollution? Adding substance to the atmosphere and changing its composition, causing harmful effects to an organism. This is the definition for air pollution. Please refer your books. So air pollutant can be classified into two, as gaseous pollutant and particulate pollutant. Gaseous pollutant, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide, right? And these are the dust pollutant, dust like particles, right? All these pollutants really have an adverse effect on atmosphere. It causes acid rain. Acid rain is something that damages all aquatic organism. Once the acid rain falls to the aquatic places, all organism will be destroyed. And the other thing is it might even harm the buildings. Then it cause climatic changes, increase the temperature. Then it cause health problems for human, like respiratory problems might occur once you breathe such polluted air. Then we have to take steps in order to stop this pollution. So we have to, these are the precautions I have written: recycle, reforestation, uh, planting many trees, minimize combustion, try to minimize the vehicles or factory waste without sending to the atmosphere. We have to reduce those. Then tune vehicle engines, that means you have to use vehicle engine, it's the moderated ones, I mean it has to release less pollutant. Those vehicles are called tune vehicle engines. So all these precautions we have to take in order to protect our atmosphere. As I told you, atmosphere is something very important for the survival of all organisms, so we have to protect the atmosphere.